behalf of the Pakistani community in Japan, and he covers all the socialization of the Japan for the taxation and all the peoples, like for Pakistan peoples. We are proud of you to done a great job for the Pakistani people who such being a great opportunity to serve to you, sir. And now we are invite to you in Pakistan. We are organizing such a wonderful, once again, this inauguration in Karachi or Hyderabad. And I'm saying to you, I belong to the wonderful organization of Junior Chamber International in Pakistan. And now we have come to Yamagata to attending the Asia Pacific Conference 2014 in Yamagata. I meet with the Deputy Prime Minister of Japan in Yamagata, Mr. Taro Aso. And he appreciated the efforts of the Pakistani community in Japan, and the Princess of Japan, and the Mayor of the city of Yamagata, Mr. Eko Kashivijo. And he is very appreciated to the business community Japan to working a great job. And especially you, all people who belong to this the business community who are working in Japan for the cars, any other activities. So that I'm grateful to you, especially Mr. Salim, who done great job spending 2 days with us in the morning. Today is the morning is spent out our time, and Mr. Arif is on last night is with us in the enjoyable and the wonderful dinner, and Mr. Malik Saab and Mudassir Saab. So then other names. So these are the people who now is hosting us today night dinner in the honor of us. This is our great opportunity, and to meet the wonderful people of Pakistan who been hosting and wonderful to business community to promote Pakistan culture in this city of Tokyo. So on behalf of my side and the behalf of the JCI Senator Mr. Ghani Sheikh, I am thankful once again all of you, and especially Mr. Salim to the hosting this tonight dinner in the wonderful and beautiful peoples like you Pakistani for being remembering me in we go to Pakistan. Now I promise to you, sir, to be once again we'll are thinking to organize a function in the honor of you and the hosting the such of a great ceremony. Now we come in Pakistan before to inform me, and we are organizing such a great function. Today, currently the president of Pakistan, Mr. Mamnoon Hussain, who is also our JCI member. So that he is a past president of the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and we are hosting a lot of business community dinners and all the seminars in the chamber of the Federation FPCCI and other official for the. Now we are honored for us to be once again to you, sir, being thankful to great achievement to publish this wonderful books to our knowledge, and grateful. And once again thank you all of you to be hosting us today's dinner.
Okay. Would you like to inform us what is your purpose to visit Japan?
Yeah,
and please.
Thank you, Mr. Nasir. Our purpose, the special, we meet our friends, and now we attend our JCI Senators dinner. We are belong to the Junior Chamber International, and now we are the senator of this organization. So that a lot of people in Japan, more than 60,000 Japanese, who's now member of his organization. So that we meet the Deputy Prime Minister of Japan, and we meet with the mayor of the city. We meet the members of a lot of senators of the JCI members. Now we are very happy to see the attending a training sessions for their mind mapping, leadership training, and otherwise time management courses. So that we are not opportunities in Pakistan. So that we are now travel to Pakistan to Japan to attend this wonderful events. So that I am so glad and happy to the Japanese people, and especially you people now, for the Pakistani people who now to be recognize the name of Pakistan in the top of the list, and especially the business community. So that, and I am very happy to you and all the peoples of here to be motivate to the people of Pakistan to be here in Japan.
Sir, would you like to give some message to the Pakistani community who is living in Japan in the reference of the Urdu in Japan? What is your message to the Pakistani community?
I'm sending the message of the Pakistan community in Japan. I'm so happy, especially like you you have done a good job for this to publish this book to knowledge by the Pakistanis to how can the possible you can go to Japan, and otherwise what is the Japanese to be making with the all the parts of the teams and working. So that is the message of the business very positively, and we are very happy to the Pakistanis peoples who did a great job and working with the highly with the name of Pakistan in this city, in this country of Japan.
Thank you very much. And so, would you like to say to the Pakistani people, so what they should do in the Japan for Pakistan?
Yeah, I suggest I have of my knowledge, and I'm thinking to the people of Pakistan. I have raised to the every Pakistani to please a positive means of the Japan's providing us such a lot of help in the earthquake and will support it for Japan. I'm very happy and thankful to the government of Japan to bring every time to support of Pakistani peoples in every capacities, and especially the business community of Pakistan would every time to be support to the Japanese business community to support Pakistan. So that I'm going to the positive thing, and I'm very to be helpful thing to the Japans like peoples like Pakistani who have done a very good job for the name of Pakistan, sir.
Sir, how you found the Japanese people and the Japanese government? What do you think about the Japanese people in the Pakistan event? How you found when you came to Japan?
Yeah. I've seen the very positive, especially we also the member of the business community of the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I was the member of the Diplomats Affairs Committee of the Karachi Chamber. We have many time to the visits of the Japan's Culture Center. I am also the member of the Japan Culture Center. So we have many programs to be organized in Karachi with the collaboration with the ambassador, the Consulate General of Japan, and last 2 and 3 Consulate General we will meet with the peoples, and he is very impressed with our organization. So that every Japanese vice president of our organization to come from Pakistan, we are arranging a meeting with the governor of Sindh, with the meeting with the Japan Culture Center, with the Consul General of Japan. So that means we goes to the very good thinking for the Japanese and Pakistan people. So that I'm in the future life. Thank you once again to you, and we will be inshallah to organize such a great and influential vision with the business community or the people of Japan or the people of Pakistan.
Thank you very much. Sayyidar, we welcome you in Japan. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ये दोस्त है हमारे सलीम शेरा,
चल लिया, आप इसको बंद कर दो।